Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, anywhere you are. Back again. People wey know me as that girl, they talk truth. Now maybe that your girl, they talk truth. If now your first night to see my video, subscribe. So now be the thing, still the matter. You know, my demon are no verse for me. Anytime where I no drop video like that means I dey very very busy. If you my follower, you go understand. And I work cause but anyway, my today topic what I want talk and about these church people. You know, say most of my video na church people are they always they talk to. Because me, I know they like shitting. Anything shitting, I know they like them. I be that girl they talk truth. You understand my point? Now about this church, I post this thing for my you know, so anytime I see something, I go post them. My Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, I post them. Now all these Malaysian people, Malaysian, we be say for inside church, police come inside church, go arrest them because of this in a public disturb. You understand? See the matter. I beg my people, I take God beg on. If una comot for una country, even though na person carry una comot, even though na anybody wey like make you carry una comot for country, my dear, no be free you take comot for your country. Na money you take comot am. Na money if you take from your country, take come here. Take come anywhere, any outside country. I beg, una dey give una self brain. No be until when una shout na him God go come from heaven come answer una prayer. No, because this one at the time I was supposed to talk this thing, because this thing even for the place where they stay, one person tell me, I say because get well they call commune for here. One person tell me say they go report one church for commune, say they make noise, say they disturb neighbors. No, Nigeria, I no just understand wetin be our problem. This Christianity of 18, oyibo wey carry Christian come give us, they know they do the way what they do. They know they do die by fire. If you saw oyibo church, not only as they take they build their church, now you go know this one na church be this. If you pass oyibo church, you no go ever hear noise. I don't know why. I don't know why Nigeria anywhere una dey, una go like me una pray, sing. Die. I don't know whether na that thing I go kill the demons. My demon, I tell you, if you like do die by fire, if that demons wants to stand, you go stand. I no just understand. Only way to make me they talk this now. We wait outside country. You know as it takes suffer reach here. You know sweet. No be paper. No be thank you very much up and come here. My dear, behave yourself. Mona behave on yourself. Mona know the you see, Oyibo no just believe in you see our own Christianity. Oyibo no believe in that Christianity. Okay, all those people where they carry for Malaysia for inside church. Sheba here say some no get paper. Malaysia self wey be say Malaysia say they no even like Christian. Would they watch things wey dey happen for Malaysia? They no even like black self. Because now then they post things wey dey happen for Malaysia for us. Una get mind sha o. Christian at times now they get one kind useless mind. Person go see wetin go kill am. He go say God dey, that no go kill am. And he go dey look that will kill you. Man, let me tell you the truth, Every help those who help themselves. More just this one at the time we supposed to tell ourselves truth. We no dey deceive ourselves. I know say we no get church for any. More no misunderstand me. I know say we no get church for any country where una dey. But at least one dey behave on ourselves. Oyibo wey carry Christian come give us. They don't dey do like this. They no dey do as they do. Oyibo wey carry Christian come give us. You know we get paper for another man country. Una go still they misbehave. Okay, those people now where they come carry inside church now, I don't know that for bad place they carry them. Maybe they toss in a bad place they carry them. But this one are inside church. Now they come carry them. Okay, wait till they go talk that one. Okay, when where they shout, who know no give una self brain. When I say that one, I go say God go come help una. Okay, it don't happen. I beg and I don't want they rude because I don't promise my people say I no go dey rude. I no want dey rude. Mona shall give una self brain no. Because when the thing go happen, una pastor self no go even present. Everybody na sag na fat sakabakaba sag go obey. Na him everybody go put. Make person sufferness no be in vain for am. Now me as that girl they talk truth so me I don't reason my own. Church is way there outside. Una dey disturb neighbors. Na public disturb true. Now they disturb neighbors. No na dey low and down. Not be when una shout die by fire. Now God go come answer una prayer. No. Even if you pray inside your mind, God go see that prayer answer. Una no put una self for problem o. I just drop my own. I no get much to talk. I love you guys. People wey dey subscribe, see dey subscribe, one love. Anytime wey I see anything, if I get chance I go drop am. Problem no dey for that one. One love. Kiss for you guys. I dey see una comment. Problem no dey. Okay, one love. Bye dear. Ciao.